Hold at current coordinates. The landing zone is not secure. Wait for my signal.
Not just a lift machine, it's an intelligent marvel of titanium and carbon fiber.
Before it flies, every piece begins here.
Initiate Phase 1, Dynamic Component Machining.
This is less than a tenth of a human hair. Flawless.
Temperature is stable. Initiating the press cycle now. Maintain pressure at optimal levels.
Federstockweiterbrei. Scan results for gear assembly 15 are within tolerance. Proceeding to next phase.
The hub is perfect, ready for assembly. It's a beautiful piece of lift, sir.
Machining sequence Alpha 7 initiated. Coolant pressure holding steady at 50 psi. Tolerance check in progress.
Okay.
Fluid dynamics are nominal. The viscosity readings are within the expected range, confirming the batch integrity. Securing the connection now. All wires are properly seated and torqued to specification.
The calibration on joint 4 is complete. All metrics are within acceptable parameters, ready for transfer to assembly.
Welding sequence Alpha complete. Moving to section 3. All parameters remain stable. Riveting sequence complete on the starboard side. Beginning automated quality inspection. Riveting sequence initiated on line 3. Monitoring stress points now.
The ply is secure on the intricate curve. Moving to the next section.
Watch the clearance on the port side. Easy now.
Clear. Gauge reads stable. We are good to mount.
Sequence 42 initiating. All parameters nominal.
Position confirmed. System reports green across all metrics. Ready for final alignment check.
We have positive contact. All parameters are nominal for the installation sequence.
Start the inflation sequence now.
Initiating sequence. Pressure is rising steadily.
Looks good. Finalize the lock.
Torque is set. You happy with the alignment?
Perfect.
It has to be airtight.
Alignment confirmed on the starboard engine. We are within tolerance.
Torque set to 150.
Reading confirmed. Good to go.
Alignment confirmed. Lowering sequence approved.
Okay, she's clear. Good work. Looks good. Let's prep for inspection.
Lift sequence initiated. All parameters remain within tolerance. Rotation speed steady at 0.2 RPM.
The ply alignment on section gamma is confirmed. No bridging observed.
Torque set.
Verified. Next one.
Quality control check complete on rotor B. All parameters are within acceptable tolerances. We are clear for the next phase.